From the creators of the legendary Rage, which stands for Really Awesome Gaming Expo, comes the next evolution in South African gaming, the dawn of Rush. The Gaming Expo is set to showcase various sports games and leagues, including FIFA, which is sponsored and hosted by Kaizer Chiefs, and the League of Legends competition, which will see the winning team jetting off to Prague in October to compete with other European countries.
We're promoting esports, so we're trying to bring competitive video gaming to casual people, people that understand what esports is, people that have never played it before, and inviting everybody to come along and experience it for themselves. We've got a League of Legends competition, which is also 5 versus 5, and the winning team is going over to Prague in October to compete against some other European countries. And we've got a FIFA competition, which is being sponsored and hosted by Kaizer Chiefs. So we're looking for the best FIFA player this weekend.
The much anticipated Gaming Expo, which is set to hit the streets of Johannesburg on Friday at the Sandton Convention Center, will also host various media houses who will battle it out to win big prizes. The operating executive of Arena asserts that the gaming industry overseas is far developed and generates millions of dollars in revenues.
The prize pools that you see overseas, they sometimes escalate above $20 to $24 million. So obviously we're trying to get to that level. Production there is obviously incredible. It's like watching a full-on sports match, like watching the English Premier League. It's pretty much the same thing, the kind of attention to detail, the information, statistics that are brought through from the matches that are being played. So that's sort of where we are now, trying to catch up to them on that level.
Mbali, Nkosi, Soweto TV News, Sandton.